It's Halloween, for God's sake. Can you stop looking at cute JPEGs? Okay?
It's time for some demonic shit. I'm talking about NFTs ascending right from the depths of hell.
Cue SkullX. What is up, beautiful people? My name is Farhad, and let's get started. Why SkullX, you may ask? Have they paid you, you shitty influencer? Nah, I ain't big enough to get paid yet. But jokes aside, couple of reasons. Art looks dope as fuck. The community seems super connected because they actually gamify rather than just put shit up on for sale. And they have a good track record on their previous projects. So minting is happening as we speak, and it can get a little confusing, so let's break it down. There are 3 collections to look at here. The 10K SkullX project dropping now, and the other 2 projects prior to it, the SkullX Origin and SkullX Aeon. The SkullX Origin, aka Kinky SkullX, has a total of 666 pieces, and the floor is now above 3 ETH. The SkullX Aeons has a total of 2,000 pieces, and the floor is around 0.4 ETH. Now, why did I tell you all of this? Well, the launch is happening between 27th and 29th of October. Now, if you have an Origin Skulls, you can get a free mint for the 10K project on the 27th of October. But if you have an Aeons, you get pre-sale access on the 28th of October with a guaranteed reserve spot and a price of 0.08 ETH. Or if you have nothing, you can wait for the 29th of October. That will be a Dutch auction with a starting price of 0.3 ETH, dropping to a floor of 0.08 ETH. Now, if you decided to cop a SkullX, here are things to look out for. Now, if you hold an Aeon and a SkullX, sometimes in the future you'll be able to burn your Aeon to create a rarer piece, whilst all of this makes the remaining Aeons even more rare. There are also hints of future airdrops and a SkullX DAO. There's even a casino channel in the Discord right now that allows you to earn Souls currency that you can join raffles with and even get exclusive NFT drops. Now, of course, all of these are authentic financial
Advices, so don't DYOR and listen to everything I say.
I'll see you guys in the next video.